Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, so today I have got an amazing skin brightening, skin whitening mask at home. For that, you need only two things, that is tomato and 2-3 tablespoons of raw milk. Take a half tomato and 2-3 tablespoons of raw milk and just mix it. Make a mixture like this. See, you can see it's liquid. I'll show you. See, it's like this. So basically it is a overnight overnight remedy, but I'll show you now which you can do it, which you can apply it in the night also. So guys, just keep applying this. Keep it for 15 minutes on your skin and definitely it will give you a good glow. I'm sorry I started a bit early because I just wanted to apply it fast. I started fast. And tomato has vitamin C in it. So it gives you amazing glow. And vitamin C is really good for your skin. Raw milk, benefits of raw milk. It's again milk keeps your skin white. वो बचपन में भी कहते थे ना कि don't have tea. If you have tea, you'll become black. Milk is good, have milk. That is what still I'm following this. I have rarely had tea in my life, as my parents have not allowed me to have tea much. So let's try this. So that's why I'm trying this face pack, or you can say whatever this is. It is amazing, guys, trust me. Let's try. I every time try different things on my face. I'm here to show you guys that whatever suits you, choose that. And choose that in daily basis. I mean regular. If you are gonna use regular, then it's worth it. Otherwise, one time use won't give you that result. I'm telling you. It's become a little bit of liquid. Just apply it. You won't like the fragrance at all. You won't like it at all. Trust me. Because milk and tomatoes, they smell shit, but it's okay. As far as it's good for your skin, you should try it. I'm gonna apply yours also. Guys, so apply wherever you feel it. There's a dark skin, under eye, tomato and 2-3 tablespoons of raw milk. So now what you're gonna do is, I have applied this already. So you just massage this. Just massage for 2-3 minutes. Massage for 2-3 minutes. softly just massage. So your skin should also observe. Just massage. Keep it for 10-15 minutes till it gets soaked, till it gets dry. So guys, just keep it after just massage. After you are done with massage, like keep this for, if you want you can apply more also. Then again you can do a massage again and again. See, I've applied. I'm keeping because once you're done with massage now, it might go. So just apply a little bit more. And now you don't need to massage, you just keep it like this for 10-15 minutes till it get soak, and wash your face with your regular face wash or whatever cleanser you have. You can use it, and I'll just get back to you once it is done. Okay, and I'll show you how does it looks. See you then. Bye bye. Hey guys, so you can see I have washed my face. I've kept it for 10 minutes. I've washed it. You can see how does it looks now. I really liked it. Personally, I would say I really liked it, and it's really good. It's only two things. If you like it, you should definitely try once at home, and if you feel like trying it again, if it really works on your skin, then definitely guys try it again. I have washed it with a normal face wash, which regular cleanser I use, and it's really nice. I am feeling fresh right now. My skin have become healthy. I feel, so soft, and it is glowing. See, first time you won't get a result, that much of result, because whatever things you try, you should at least try it for 2-3 times, then you'll come to know the result, that how does it affects your skin. First time it won't affect that much, but yeah, if you use it twice in a week or once in a week, it will definitely work out. So try this at home. If you like it, then continue. I'll come again with something new for you. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye.